forgot for that. I like it.
He's been there for about 5 minutes.
A sticker over it.
They put a Band-Aid on it. Hey, laps the distance. Here we go. Off passing points to the green. They go.
Anthony Ferrara going to lead him down as he's going to jump up to the top shelf. That is a beautiful new wrap on the Busch Light 33 car. Bell going to be down there in the number 2 spot. Leahy's jumping up next to the 28 there as we're going to be battling out. Krebs trying to get something going as you got the 2-1-1 slowing down.
1 and 2. Ferrara throwing a fastball down the back stretch. They run. Dean Bell running in your second spot. Everybody trying to chase him as Ferrara is making it down the front straightaway. Nice. This time, according to my Race Pass Live timing, and scoring 1.6 second lead for the 33.
Anthony Ferrara trying to be gone like yesterday. Dean Bell trying to run him down. Leahy and
Dean Bell, your race leader. Tucked up underneath him is Jeremy Leahy in the 20. Downstairs trying to get something to eat is the 26 of Krebs. Down the back straightaway they go. One more lap around. And
Inside of Bell as they got a drag race down into turn number 3. Checkered flag is going to come out for Ferrara. And here they come out of turn number 4. Who's going to second? It's going to be Leahy. Bell, Krebs.
front stretch for the number 2 spot. Elijah Keeper's going to be out front. Here comes Pete Richardson. He's got to run. Oh! Elijah Keeper hit something down on the bottom side of the track, causing the car to jump. Everybody's going to capitalize. Top 5, 6 going to slingshot around your leader as Collins is going to lead lap 1.
Down the front straightaway they go. Car I've been keeping my eye on all night long. The 8S Chase Scroggins. He's worked his way up into that 9th spot. 3-wide battle for the race lead. Down the back straightaway. Car's going to scatter battery. You got one up top, one in the middle. Down around the tires they go. Down the front straightaway at the start finish line. Krebs still your race leader.
Anthony Ferrara moving into the number 1 spot. He was last year's Turkey Bowl champion. Can he double it up and make it 2 for 2? He's going to lead it down to the turn number 4 and on top side. Kinsey Collins on the bottom side. Collins back to the lead.
Collins working that bottom side of the racetrack, getting to carry that left front around 1 and 2. Down the back straightaway, side by side for the race lead. Another one right there in the mix. 4 wide back in the pack, but they'll wheel and deal out of turn number 4, and Ferrara in the 33 at the stripe.
Ferrara still your race leader.
Down the front straightaway they go. Langton and Leahy battling side by side there. Still great battle up front though. Everybody makes their way around 1 and 2. Leaders coming out of turn number 4. Still outside power at the line. Ferrara still your race leader.
Oh, correction. We got Kinsey Collins. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry, Gary. Oh, sorry, had a little bit of a technical difficulty, folks. It said Gary Krebs was the race leader, but it looks like Anthony Ferrara is still going to be your leader out of turn 4. The -7 to Kinsey Collins not giving up yet. He's going to keep battling down on that bottom side. Here comes the Rocket Man of Jerry Langton. He's going to be out there. Your top 5 starting to pull away from the rest of the field. Collins back to the race lead.
Bottom side starting to come in here late in the going. 3-wide battle for your 2nd spot. Down the back straightaway, Ferrara, Keeper, and Langton. 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. They're 3 wide behind Collins, your race leaders. They file down the front straightaway.
Oh, you got a 4-car battle. Throw a blanket on them all. As it's anybody's ball game, we got 10 down, 10 to go. Ferrara got shaken up a little bit out of turn number 2, but here comes Sundance Keeper. He's running that middle line. Collins, you better find a higher gear because you got company.
4 drivers all in contention. Green flag down the front straightaway. Great start by Kinsey Collins right to the bottom of the racetrack. 33 of Ferrara going to go at it. Langton now climbs the ladder, works to the outside, trying to get around Keeper as they come down the front straightaway.
Okay.
Collins got a great jump here on the green flag. It's walked away, and now it's 3 wide down the back straightaway. Langton, Keeper, and Ferrara battling for your 2nd spot. They're watching that -7 get a little bit smaller out the front as they go off into turn number 1.
Oh, if you take a look at that 64 car, Pete Richardson, he's got himself a 3-wheeler through the turns. That left front's way up in the air. He's hammering and trying to get something to go. But right now, it is the -7. Kinsey Collins out front, leading the pack.
5 laps to go down the front straightaway, off into 1 and 2. Here comes the 44 of Langton, trying to get something hooked up around the outside line. Those 3 cars starting to get a little bit closer now to Collins as they come down the front straightaway. 4 laps to go.
Oh, buddy, it's starting to shape up to be a good one. Anthony Ferrara got a little bit of body work done to that left rear of his car. Langton still trying to get that top shelf to work in and gain some momentum to catch your leader, Kinsey Collins. We got 3 to go.
Laps winding down. The 3-wide battle for 2nd is now side by side, the 33 and the 44. Ferrara down around the bottom of the racetrack. Langton still wheeling it up around the cushion. Coming to get 2 laps to go. Kinsey Collins, can you hang on?
It's about to get bumpy as this race is about to wrap up. Here we go. It's time to full throttle. Let nothing back. Hold nothing back. Langton still trying to get that top side in, but your top 4 are all bunched up almost bumper to bumper as we got 1 to go.
White flag. It's now or never for the 44. You got a Busch Light Turkey Trophy on the line, and here comes Langton down the back straightaway. Drives it into the outside. Can it stick around the cushion? Checkered flag, and Kinsey Collins, your feature winner.